Hello everyone, today I will share the best online earning website here you can generate handsome income. Get paid to complete offers, surveys and more. We offer many offer walls, faucet claims, games and more to help you earn money online. Earning money online through various activities like viewing ads, playing games, and participating in offer walls has become a popular trend in recent years. Many platforms offer users the opportunity to monetize their time and activities, providing a source of income from the comfort of their homes. In this article, we will explore the concept of earning money online through these methods and discuss some of the platforms that facilitate such opportunities. The internet has revolutionized the way people earn money, introducing various online avenues that allow individuals to make a living or supplement their income. One such avenue involves engaging in activities like viewing ads, playing games. One of the simplest and most common ways to earn money online is by viewing ads. Platforms like www.earnviv.com offer users the opportunity to watch advertisements and get paid for their time. Advertisers pay these platforms to display their content. This method is straightforward. Users register on the platform, navigate to the designated ad viewing section, and start watching advertisements. The compensation can vary based on factors such as the length of the ad, the advertiser's budget. While the concept of earning money online through ad viewing, game playing, and offer walls is enticing, it's essential to approach these opportunities with a strategic mindset. Here are some tips for maximizing your earnings. Engage in a combination of ad viewing, game playing, and offer wall tasks to diversify your income streams. This approach can help you optimize your earnings and reduce dependency on a single method. Viewing ads. Most common ways to earn money online is by viewing ads and the platform's payment structure. Building up earnings may take time, and consistency is crucial. Regularly participating in activities on www.earnviv.com or similar platforms can lead to a more substantial and consistent income over time. Keep yourself updated on new opportunities and promotions offered by the platform. Some tasks or games may provide higher rewards during specific periods, and staying informed can help you take advantage of these opportunities. Understand that earning money online through these methods may not make you rich overnight. Set realistic goals and expectations, and consider it as a supplementary income source. In conclusion, www.earnviv.com and similar platforms offer users the chance to earn money online through various activities. Whether it's watching ads, playing games, or completing tasks on offer walls, individuals can monetize their time and skills. However, it's crucial to approach these opportunities with a realistic mindset, understanding that consistent effort and engagement are key to building a sustainable online income. For gaming enthusiasts, earning money online by playing games has become an exciting option. Many platforms host a variety of games, ranging from casual to competitive. May offer a selection of games that users can play to accumulate points or virtual currency, which can then be converted into real money. The gaming not just a form of entertainment but a potential source of income for skilled or dedicated players, where users can earn rewards or cash prizes. These platforms often monetize through advertisements, in-app purchases, or subscriptions, and a portion of the revenue generated is distributed to the players. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, exploring diverse ways to earn money online can open up new possibilities for individuals seeking financial flexibility and independence. The concept of earning money online through ad viewing, game playing, and offer walls is enticing. It's essential to approach these opportunities with a strategic mindset.